Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is Lauki Paneer Kofta curry. I have this big, huge bottle gourd which is Lauki from my sister, and she has a garden, veggie garden, and she got it for me, and that tastes amazing. And thought of making this Lauki Kofta curry, thought of sharing with you. So let's start with the recipe. Alright, so let's start with our Lauki Paneer Kofta curry recipe. Of course, we need bottle gourd, which is Lauki. I have washed, grated, and squeezed the water out of this bottle gourd. This is 1 cup. Grated paneer 1 cup. 2 to 3 green chilies. 1 tablespoon of shredded ginger, some coriander. Alright, for the kofta gravy we have 5 tomatoes, half onion, 2 green cardamom, 1 small mace, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, and 7 to 8 cashew nuts. So let's bring this to boil. And for the gravy or for the curry we need this tomato onion puree, which I showed you earlier, and this is the water from the bottle gourd. I have some tomato puree water that I strained, so we are going to use it while we are making the gravy. Let's move on to the dry spices. Here is my chaat masala, coriander and cumin powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, which is besan. Taken all these 4 ingredients for about 1 tablespoon. These are the key ingredients here. This is 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder and 2 pinches of turmeric powder. All these dry powders will be used in making the paneer lauki kofta. Need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and these are the ingredients we need for the curry. So I have 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, salt to taste, red chili powder and garam masala to taste, and of course some coriander and cumin powder just for flavoring. And for garnishing we need 1 tablespoon of honey and about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Okay, time to mix everything. Let's make the koftas first. As I said earlier, there is no much water left in this lauki, but I'm going to add this water of lauki in the gravy. So I've added bottle gourd, coriander, paneer, green chilies, and mix all these ingredients. Alright, mix this well. We don't need any water for binding. Just mix all these ingredients well. Alright, so this is well combined. I'm making these koftas just like this. With the gram flour and paneer, it's going to bind well together. We're still going to have bottle gourd taste because I've added gram flour only 2 tablespoons. Just like this. So let me finish making all the balls. In the meantime, I have this appam patra which I'm going to get heated with some oil. Alright, so my appe patra is hot enough, so I'm going to add a couple drops of oil. Just using less oil here. If you want to deep fry them, if you want to shallow fry them, please do so. This is just a unique way to do it, so thought of sharing this with you. Okay, so as you can see, in about 4 to 5 minutes I have flipped the koftas to the other side, and this is how they look. And now I have in a pan I have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So let's add red chili powder just for that beautiful color. So we are doing some kind of multitasking here. While this is cooking, I'm making our curry ready so that we will be doing this in such a short time. Let's bring this to boil. Okay, let's add salt, garam masala, and coriander and cumin powder. As I shared earlier, I have the tomato and bottle gourd water. So I'm going to add it in the curry. Okay, my curry is boiling now. Let's add kasuri methi. Just crush it. Some honey. And some heavy cream. So my gravy is ready. Once these koftas are ready, I'm going to serve this curry. I've used minimum oil, as you have seen. I've used the appam patra, and that gives us the beautiful round shape of the koftas. Of course, the curry is totally ready. I've garnished this with some cream and shredded paneer, and of course the coriander leaf. So here is my Lauki Paneer Kofta curry, and you can have it with rice or roti or any kind of bread. So thank you for watching this recipe, and thank you for visiting Foodland. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and if you have not subscribed yet, please try to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.